Hello student, we start our new topic nature of heat and work. Work means it mechanics. The work is defined as the energy by which body is displaced through a distance d with application of force. Thus W is equal to F into D. F means force and D means distance. In the thermodynamics, PV types of work is PV type of work, that is work is done when the system expands or contracts against an external opposing force. Work is also defined as the energy exchange with the surrounding work performed by the system on the surrounding and by the surrounding on the system. It means that work is the product of pressure and volume. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area. If d is the distance, area A is equal to d square means distance square, and volume V is equal to d cube. Then PV is right F divided by A into V. Here F is the force divided by A means area into V means volume is equal to F divided by d square into d cube is equal to F into D, that is work. Let us export PV work with the two chemical reaction in a cylinder. In these two chemical reactions in a cylinder equipped with the frictionless movable piston attached with a certain decomposition of H2O2. Here is the two cylinder. In the first cylinder, we take a H2O2 molecule. The reaction takes place. Two molecules of H2O2 in a liquid state gives two water molecule and the oxygen in gaseous state. In this first cylinder, we take a piston and put up the mass. Before the reaction, any movement takes place, and then after reaction, the gases expand, piston moves upward direction. Where is the work done by the system, energy loss by the surrounding? Means work of expansion, system perform work on the surrounding. In this work done by the system on the surrounding, no heat being transferred, a loss of energy by the system is equal to work done by the system on the surrounding. This is known as work expansion, that means PV expansion. Work expansion means PV expansion. In this, the gas produces the reaction, hence piston moves upward direction. The second reaction is NH3 gas plus HCl gas gives NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. In the first cylinder, we take a NH3 gas and HCl gas. Before reaction and the after reaction, the piston moves down. A decrease in the height of the masses. Due to this, the process, the surrounding lose the energy to the system and perform work on the system. If no heat transfer occurs, work done by the surrounding is equal to gain in energy by the system. This is the PV work done. That means here is work of compression is done by the system by the surrounding on the system. Work is done by the surrounding on the system, that is energy gain by system. Next point is the sign convention of work and heat. In this, the energy entering by the system from the surrounding has positive value, while energy leaving by the system and flowing into the surrounding is negative value. In the diagram, plus Q denotes heat is absorbed by the system from the surrounding. Minus Q denotes heat is released by the system to the surrounding. Plus W is denotes work is done on the system by the surrounding. Minus W is denotes work is done by the system on the surrounding. Here the positive value denotes energy entering in the system from the surrounding, and negative denotes energy relieving